Welcome to the introduction of Keep More of Your Hard-Earned Money. In this guide, we'll walk you through essential tips and strategies to help you retain more of your income. Freelancing offers amazing freedom and flexibility. You're your own boss. You get to choose your projects, set your own hours, and work from virtually anywhere. But with freedom comes responsibility, especially when it comes to taxes. Managing your finances can be daunting, but it's crucial for your success. Did you know that smart tax strategies can save you thousands of dollars each year? It's true. By being proactive and informed, you can significantly reduce your tax burden. By understanding the tax system and utilizing available deductions, you can keep more of your hard-earned income. This means more money in your pocket for investments, savings, or even a well-deserved vacation. This isn't about cheating the system. It's about working within the rules to maximize your earnings. Knowing what deductions you're eligible for and how to claim them can make a huge difference. We'll explore proven tax hacks for freelancers, ensuring you stay on the right side of the law while boosting your bottom line. From home office deductions to retirement contributions, we've got you covered. Get ready to unlock the secrets of freelance finance and take control of your financial future. We'll provide you with actionable steps and practical advice to help you navigate the complexities of freelance taxes. Remember, this guide provides general information, not personalized financial advice. It's a starting point to help you understand the basics and get you on the right track. Always consult with a qualified tax professional for advice tailored to your specific situation. They can offer insights and strategies specific to your unique circumstances. Let's dive in and start saving. Welcome to Section 2, the freelance life, freedom and responsibility. Freelancing offers incredible freedom. You choose your clients, set your hours, and work from anywhere. But this freedom comes with responsibility, particularly managing your taxes. Unlike traditional employment, where taxes are automatically withheld from your paycheck, freelancers are responsible for paying self-employment and income taxes. This means understanding your tax obligations and making timely payments throughout the year. Failure to do so can result in penalties and interest. But don't worry. Managing your freelance taxes doesn't have to be overwhelming. With some knowledge and planning, you can navigate the tax system effectively and keep more of your hard-earned money. The key is to be proactive. Don't wait until tax season to think about your finances. By implementing smart strategies throughout the year, you can optimize your tax savings and ensure financial stability for your freelance business. Now let's talk about Section 3, separate accounts. Your financial secret weapon. One of the simplest yet most effective tax hacks for freelancers is maintaining separate bank accounts for business and personal finances. This separation streamlines bookkeeping, simplifies tax preparation, and provides a clear picture of your business's financial health. Open a dedicated business checking account and deposit all your freelance income into it. Use this account exclusively for business-related expenses, such as software subscriptions, office supplies, and travel costs. Having separate accounts makes it easy to track income and expenses, identify potential deductions, and determine your business's profitability. This separation also creates a clear boundary between your personal and professional finances, making tax time less stressful. When tax season arrives, you'll have a well-organized record of your transactions, making it easier to file your taxes accurately and on time. Welcome to Section 4, Deductions Unlocking Tax Savings. Deductions are a freelancer's best friend. They reduce your taxable income, leading to significant tax savings. As a freelancer, you're eligible for various deductions, including business expenses, health insurance premiums, and retirement contributions. Carefully track all business-related expenses, such as office supplies, software subscriptions, travel costs, and internet bills. These expenses can be deducted from your income, reducing your tax liability. Maintain meticulous records of your expenses, including receipts, invoices, and bank statements. These records will be crucial when claiming deductions during tax time. Remember, understanding eligible deductions can be complex. Consulting with a qualified tax professional can help you maximize your deductions and minimize your tax burden. Section 5, Quarterly Payments. Avoiding tax time surprises. Unlike traditional employees who have taxes withheld from each paycheck, freelancers are responsible for making estimated tax payments quarterly. These payments are crucial to avoid penalties for underpayment of taxes. The IRS provides guidelines and forms for calculating and submitting quarterly tax payments. Estimate your income for the year and divide it into 4 equal payments, due each quarter. Making timely quarterly payments ensures you're consistently paying taxes throughout the year, preventing a large tax bill at year-end. This approach also helps you avoid penalties for underpayment and keeps your finances on track. Remember, your income can fluctuate as a freelancer. Adjust your quarterly payments accordingly if you experience significant income changes during the year. Section 6. Home Office Deduction, a space for work and savings. If you work from home, you can claim the Home Office Deduction, one of the most valuable tax breaks for freelancers. This deduction allows you to deduct a portion of your home expenses, such as rent, mortgage interest, utilities, and homeowner's insurance, as business expenses. To qualify, your home office must be your primary place of business and used exclusively for work. Calculate the square footage of your dedicated workspace and determine the percentage it represents of your total home area. This percentage determines the portion of your home expenses you can deduct. Maintain accurate records of your home expenses and the square footage of your workspace to support your deduction claim. The home office deduction can significantly reduce your taxable income, leading to substantial tax savings. Section 7. Retirement Planning, Investing in Your Future. Retirement planning is crucial for freelancers as you don't have access to employer-sponsored retirement plans like traditional employees. Fortunately, several retirement savings options are available to freelancers, offering tax advantages. Consider opening a solo 401(k) or a simplified employee pension (SEP) IRA. These plans allow you to contribute both as an employee and an employer, maximizing your retirement savings and reducing your taxable income. Contributions to these plans are often tax-deductible, lowering your current tax liability. Additionally, your earnings grow tax-deferred until retirement, allowing your savings to compound over time. Investing in your retirement not only secures your financial future, but also provides valuable tax benefits. Section 8. Hiring an accountant, your tax season ally. While managing your freelance taxes is possible, consider hiring a qualified accountant specializing in freelance taxation. An accountant can save you time, reduce stress, and ensure you're maximizing your deductions and minimizing your tax liability. An accountant can help you navigate complex tax laws, identify eligible deductions, and optimize your tax strategy. They can also represent you during tax audits and handle any tax-related issues that may arise. Think of an accountant as an investment in your financial well-being. The cost of hiring an accountant is often outweighed by the tax savings and peace of mind they provide. Remember, tax laws and regulations are constantly changing. An accountant can keep you updated on the latest changes and ensure you're always in compliance. Section 9. Staying Organized, Tools for Financial Success. Staying organized is crucial for managing your freelance finances and taxes effectively. Utilize technology and tools to streamline your bookkeeping, track expenses, and prepare for tax season. Several accounting software programs designed explicitly for freelancers, such as QuickBooks Self-Employed and FreshBooks, are available. These programs simplify bookkeeping, automate invoice generation, and provide insights into your business's financial health. Use expense tracking apps like Expensify or Mint to capture receipts, categorize expenses, and generate expense reports. These apps integrate seamlessly with accounting software, making tax time a breeze. By leveraging technology and staying organized, you can efficiently manage your finances, save time, and reduce stress. Section 10. Conclusion. Take control of your freelance finances. Congratulations! You're now equipped with valuable tax hacks to save money and stay compliant as a freelancer. Remember, staying informed about tax regulations and seeking professional advice when needed is crucial. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your tax savings, reduce your tax liability, and keep more of your hard-earned income. Embrace the freedom and flexibility of freelancing while taking control of your financial future. Remember, this guide provides general information, not personalized financial advice. Always consult with a qualified tax professional for advice tailored to your specific situation.